Editing Nate here. I would like to note that none of this video is sponsored by any brands or, anything that is shown in this video.
Hey, y'all remember this chair? Well, it's gone. It's broken. It's dead. So I got a new chair, and yeah, I got a lot of different stuff. Yeah, lots of stuff. Not as much as the last unboxing video that we did, but still a lot of stuff. Got a new mic, a couple new monitors, a new chair. I got a new phone. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna be doing an unboxing of all that today. I know a lot of people like these unboxing videos, so yeah, we're just gonna be doing another one today. All my stuff is over here, and yeah, I'm gonna be here working on the floor because like my table is, has my desk and crap on it. Y'all remember this thing? All right, so we're just gonna be starting with smallest to, if you would focus. I guess it's better if I sit on the floor. Yeah, we're just gonna be starting with smallest to largest, and yeah, close here and personal. Too hot in here for that hat. I will not make the same mistakes that I did last time. Today, we're gonna be cutting away from ourselves. Alrighty. Looks like it's opening. Make sure you always close your box cutters, kids. Oh boy. Oh, what is this? Oh, bro. It got delivered today. I didn't even realize that. This is my new phone. Bro, this is huge. Look at this boy. I'm already getting fingerprints on it. I also got a case for this baby. So, yeah, this is a Google Pixel 3 XL. So, yeah, this is nice. I'm excited. I didn't even know that. Alrighty. Oh, Lord. Might get a little, table thing for this. This might be better if we do that. Oh, I just powered on my phone. Look at how pretty this is. Okay, here's the table. Alrighty, let's see this. I don't know what this is. It might just be something completely random. There it is. Alright, let's see what this is. Okay. Oh, this is my shock mount for I bought a new mic, so yeah. Here's my Yeti shock mount, and I just got a new windscreen for Blue Yeti 2, just because I was getting a new pop filter, pop filter and stuff anyway. Oh yeah, speaking of pop filter, got a new one. So that's that box done. Yeet! Next biggest is this. I'm pretty sure I know what this is. Alright, yeah. These are just I got a couple DisplayPort cords because I got a couple new monitors over there so that I can, actually plug them in. Oh, what else? What is this? Oh, this is my case for my phone that I put over there. Frisbee, yeet! What shall we start with here? Okay, I'm pretty sure I know what this is. I think that this is my boom stand that I bought. This might be a couple other things too, but probably my boom stand for my Yeti. Yes! Oh, yeah, this is, oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. This is my new, I got the blackout edition this time instead of my silver one that I had before. But, yeah, look at this. This is very pretty. Oh, box is kind of destroyed, but that should be fine. I got a new mic, even though, my videos seem fine. It's because, if you guys have seen my Hello Neighbor videos, you know that, my mic will go out sometimes if I, touch it. So, yeah, this should fix that, hopefully. And what else is in here? A bunch of paper. Oh, yes. You guys want to hear some ASMR? Oh yeah. Alrighty. Boxception as usual. Oh yeah, there's a lot of boxception in this. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4 cases of boxception. I'm gonna start the boxception police. Alrighty, here we go. What's in here? Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Boom stand. Is this technically boxception? What else is in here? Nothing. Alrighty. I'll let myself do the honors. Yeet. This is a boom stand. So basically I can hook it up next to my like desk over here, and then it'll hold my Blue Yeti. So that way I don't have to, and that will probably reduce the whole touching it and it'll like go out thing. So yeah, it all works together. See, I'm smart. What's my IQ again? Alright, this next one is probably gonna be, I think, the last thing and the biggest thing. And the thing I don't know, not most excited for, because that's probably my phone or the Blue Yeti, but yeah, next one is a big one, so I'm gonna adjust the camera. It's my hecking chair. You can't even see me. Oh, I almost forgot about my monitors. What's my IQ again? So I got a couple of ViewSonic monitors with barely any rim. I'll put a picture up on screen of my monitor that I have right now that I'm using to record this. And also, I only have one at the moment because my other one just casually went out. So, unlike last time, this is actually in its correct box, too. This is not cooperating. Sir, I'm going to have to call the authorities on you. Oh, I should probably... Oh, I'm just stupid. It's okay. This is probably why people watch these videos so much. It's because they're so, like, just straight up satisfying. Oh Lord, here we go. Oh Lord, he coming. Yeet. Oh no, this has a lot of stuff. So, power cable, I'm assuming. What is this? Here's the baby in all its glory. My cord is stuck. This is gonna be hecka satisfying. Oh, baby. Yeet. Yeet. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. And there's one of those plastic things that I get to rip off later. This is a 24-inch monitor with DisplayPort, HDMI, and DVI, I believe? No, VGA support. Cat, why are you chewing on plastic? Okay, we have a second one. And now I actually know what I'm doing as far as unboxing this goes. I'm going to play 1 second of Golden Wind because I have it stuck in my head. I don't want to get copyrighted. Here it is. Yeet. Stand a moment. Monitor time. Oh, yes. All right, now time for the big boy. You guys can't even see me. That's a lumbar pillow if I've ever seen one. That's a head pillow. Oh yes, this is all poppable. This would be an arm. This would be another arm. They didn't. How dare they? Disgusting. It's boxception. Vile. There's even more. There's more. There's more boxception. It's him. It's the almighty back of the chair. The bottom of the chair that already has... Oh wait. Oh, it's the footrest thing. Yes, this has a footrest. Okay, I think that's it for this box. Yeet! Oh Lord. Yep, just screws and crap. Oh hey, they got 2 Allen wrenches. That means there's 2 different things that we gotta screw on. Oh. More boxception. Vile. It's the legs. Oh hey, it's red. Red and black. Like my soul. Oh look. It's the freaking pipe. This is the pipe thing. The thing that makes it go up and down. You know, that unimportant thing. What shall we start with? How about we start with the chair? Okay, is there instructions? I believe there is. I'm not sure. I don't know where the instructions went. Let's unbox all the parts, and if we don't find it then, you know, we might be screwed. I'm probably just being stupid. It's probably like, oh my lord. Look guys, I am literally blind. Okay, this is literally Lego instructions. Thank you. Respawn, y'all are freaking awesome. Time for setup. Now that we have everything unboxed, it looks like we can just set everything up, and I'll show clearing my desk and remaking it all, and yeah, doing all that. So different camera angles and all that. This will be sped up, so you know, epilepsy warning. I'm bad at putting like skips to times, so you know, I don't know about that, but hey, if I can figure it out, I'll do it. If not, then you know, sorry. But yeah, so I'm gonna speed this up, and I will see you guys in a bit.
Days I do remember, we were running still, had the whole world at our feet, watching seasons change. Our roads were lined with adventure, mountains in the way couldn't keep us from the sea. Here we stand, open arms. This is home where we are, ever strong in the world that we made. I still hear you in the breeze, see your shadows in the trees. in a sweet harmony. Someday we'll all be free.
Alrighty, hey guys, I am back. Don't mind the window, and we have everything set up. I'll do a pan shot right now, later on with my other camera, of like the setup that I got with the boom mic and the lights and everything. And yeah, so I just wanted to really quickly record testing out the chair. I have not sat in this at all, so yeah, I'm kind of excited actually. Very excited. Oh Lord. Anyways, guys, so I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to join the creepers. Go down in the description below to follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and to join my Discord server. While you're down there, go ahead and hit that like button, and down there, go ahead and check out my merch store. Get yourself something if you want. You don't have to, but it's just a nice way to support the channel. So, yeah, that's about it for today, but in the meantime, just remember, fight till the end. Anyway, so, I promise I'm not lazy. You know, I was waiting for all this to come in the mail. Anyway, so, yeah, see ya, guys!